A nice, hot Sunday in July with a good rock and roll fever here tonight. I need everybody to sing this one with me, okay? Everybody. Because it is our last one, and we hope to see you guys all real soon, okay? Here we go. Summertime, sit back. That's not bad. On that summertime, sit back. Better look out now, cause Mason's got some of you. I'll tell you what it is. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Seems that all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Hold on, baby. You know this one? I got pink lemonade. Oh! I'm your ice cream man, baby. Stop me when I'm passing by. You guys got to get a little out. Seems that. One more time. Well, I usually pass them by just around 11 o'clock. Never stop, I usually pass them by around 11 o'clock. And if you let me cool you one time, you be my regular stop. All right, Hoyt Farm! I got pink lemonade. Oh! Yeah! I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. Seems that all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Yeah. I'm your ice cream man. Stop me when I'm passing by. Your ice cream man, stop me when I'm passing by. Seems that all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Oh, watch out! Seems that all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Oh, one time, ice cream man, your ice cream man, baby. Oh my flavors are guaranteed.